We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve nodes effectively in your video projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the color page, which is where all the magic happens with nodes. You'll see the node editor on the right-hand side of the interface. Nodes are essentially the building blocks for your color grading workflow, allowing you to apply and layer different corrections and effects. To create a new node, right-click in the node editor and select Add Node, then choose Add Serial Node for a linear progression or Add Parallel Node if you want to apply effects simultaneously. Each node can be thought of as a single step in your color grading or effects chain. You can connect nodes by clicking and dragging from the output of one node to the input of another, creating a flow of adjustments. If you want to reset a node or delete it, simply right-click on it and choose either Reset Node Grade or Delete Node. You can also rename nodes for better organization by double-clicking on the node label. To apply an effect to a specific node, select the node, then go to the Effects library, choose your desired effect, and drag it onto the node. This way, the effect is only applied to that particular node, keeping your workflow modular and organized. Make sure to use the node graph to preview the changes and the impact of each node on your footage. By using nodes, you can create complex color grades and effects while maintaining control over each step, ensuring a professional-looking final product. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.